Alright, the day has come. I am at Home Depot purchasing supplies for my build. So let's go inside and I will show you guys what I'm getting. Hi, my name is Diane and this is Recreation Outside Las Vegas. I like to travel around Nevada, Arizona, California, Utah, and beyond. So recently I decided to turn my 2004 Chevy Trailblazer into a camper. If you enjoy this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave your input in the comment section below. Alright, let's get started. I got the door shut where the big carts are, so I gotta go all the way back around. I was going to use 2x2 lumber, however, it did not look too promising. I doubt that it would have held my weight, so I opted for the 2x3s, which looked incredible. Alright, we are all loaded up, and I want to go get some brackets and some hinges. Alright, I am heading home from Home Depot. I spent about $40 on materials, used that veteran discount that they have here, which is always a blessing. And yeah, so I'm going to get started on the build here in the next couple days. I have a trip planned up to Great Basin in the next couple weeks, and I want to have this finished by then. So hopefully I will see you guys in the next couple days, and I can get this video out to you in a timely manner. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, so we are starting on the build tonight. By we, I mean my boyfriend Hank, who is a professional carpenter. He's going to help me make the sleeping platform, and I want to be as hands-on as I possibly can, but he's definitely the brains behind this, and he knows how I should design it to make it structurally safe. So we're gonna get started. Alright, so in the last two videos I took out the seats and I created the plans. I will leave a card and a link to those videos in the description.
Half square thing, you know, nothing in here is plumb over square, but that may be a little flimsy. We'll see. If we need to add more bracing, we can, right? With the chip up, I like to put the chip down, just so we're not crammed in there. You know?
So we started with the plywood first. We measured the piece of plywood first for the top of the bed to see how long the structure needs to be. And then Hank put a box underneath to see how high I actually wanted. I was thinking about a foot. The box is a little bit less than a foot. It's pretty high.
Yeah.
But it's Do you think it's too high?
I don't know if you set it up.
Do you want me to try? So Hank is going really into depth about like anchor points and using math and doing all the angles. What I was gonna do is just build the platform and build some anchoring things, like just some structure to make it safe. But no, he's going all like mathematical and proper, so it is what it is. On the floor.
Is 30 inches minus 3.
Now making the support legs, support framing.
36. Look at the twist.
Twist and what?
It's not that bad.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save.
Alright, we've got the platform in. Looks pretty good.
You and I, we got our differences.
All that room for storage.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
I thought
Brucey,
we were
Brucey, what do you think?
more alike than unlike.
Does this work for you? Alright, we are almost done building the support for the bottom part of the bed. I can't believe how much storage is under there. So I won't be able to sit up, but that's why I decided to do half instead of the full like I originally wanted to, so I could sit up on one side. Right, so we've got the full bed and I still have room to like sit up on this side.
We speak but oh nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences. Yeah. I thought we were more alike than unlike.
And then why I had a bracing here, you know? I think I had a brace here, here if we need to, if we need to.
Haven't breathed, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Everything is great.
Alright, so what do you think about the build so far? We've got the bed done. I've got a trip coming up next week, so I'm going to be using it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and I will show you what I have set up so that you can see, maybe get some ideas on your own, and I would really appreciate some feedback if you have any. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know down below, and I will see you in the next one.